Dermalogica's Overnight Retinol Repair is a highly concentrated, customizable nighttime retinol treatment that accelerates skin renewal and addresses signs of skin aging. With highly active microencapsulated retinol to help increase collagen synthesis for firmer skin and accelerate cell turnover to target uneven skin tone and discoloration. Overnight Retinol Repair also comes with its own moisturizing buffer cream to help minimize any retinol irritation. Suitable for skins with advanced signs of aging such as lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation, and to be used at nighttime only. Gradually increase the ratio of buffer cream to retinol every 2 weeks until you completely phase out your buffer cream. Avoid other exfoliation or waxing while using Overnight Retinol Repair.